In this video, you will learn how to save Instagram video without posting. After you open your phone, now go and open your Instagram app like this. So after you open your Instagram app like this, now all you need to do now, go and open the camera section. So for me, I'll just use my hand to swipe like this. So now as you can see, now after you open the camera section like this, now you can just now go ahead and upload the video by typing on this, as you can see now, on this gallery icon. So you can just go ahead and upload the video from your mobile phone, or you can just go ahead and record the video. So for me, let's say I want to just go ahead and record the video. So if you want to record the video, go ahead and select a filter. So I'll just use, let's say, this filter for the video. After you select a filter that you want to use, all you need to do just long press your hand on the camera section like this now. So now my video has started recording. Now I'm recording the video. After you finish recording your video, now release your hand. After you release your hand, now here is now the video. You can now go ahead and add a text to the video. As you can see now, you can just go ahead and add a text and customize the text by using these all features. After you finish adding your text, tap on this done button. Now you can, as you can see now, position your text. After you finish positioning your text, you can add a sound to the video, this one. So in this section now, you can just go ahead and search for a sound. You can just go ahead and search for a sound. After you just get the sound that you want to add, you can tap on this add button. So as you can see now, here is the sound. Now you can tap on this done button, and you can be able now to position the title of the sound or the caption of the sound. After you finish all customizing your video, you can tap on this three dot save button. Now the video is saving. So now my video has finished saving. Now I'll go back to my gallery and show you the video. If I open my gallery like this now, so as you can see now in my gallery, now here is the video. As you can see now, here is now the video that I just saved. That's it guys on how to save Instagram video without posting. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.